Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to create or add your own sounds into the TikTok as your music background for your content. So the thing that you have to do, open your TikTok application and make sure that you are signed in the with the account that you used, and after that you just need to go into this plus button to access the TikTok camera. And whenever you are here, you need to take a look on this top side. There will be an add sound, and then you just need to go click those tools, and that will bring you into the sounds collection of the TikTok. And then you just need to take a look on this line. There will be a for you, favorites, more, and your sounds. So then to add your own sound on the TikTok, you just need to go with your sound. And there will be two options here. Either you can do an import sounds from your video or import your local sounds. So you can do this. What if you want to extract the sounds from the video, go into this part and choose the video that containing the sound that you want to have, and click this import sound from video. And now you just need to go click it and go click checklist button, and now you already got the video, the audio, and you are ready to start recording this video content for your TikTok. So that's the way how to add sounds into the TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.